Recruitment. Attracting qualified persons to apply for vacant positions so that the best suited to serve may be selected. Recruitment is the process of attracting qualified individuals to apply for vacant position in an organization. It serves as the first step in building a competent workforce. The goal is to encourage as many suitable candidates as possible so that the best person for the job can be chosen. Example, if a government agency needs a new civil engineer, they will post job announcements to attract applicants with the right qualifications, such as a degree in civil engineering and a license. Sources of applicants. Organizations use different sources to find potential candidates. Here are some common sources. 1. Current employees. Promoting or transferring someone already in the organization. Example, a company might promote a junior engineer to a senior engineering position. 2. Newspaper advertising. Posting job vacancies in local or national newspapers. Example, a job ad in the Sunday Times looking for an administrative assistant. 3. Schools. Partnering with schools or universities for fresh graduates. Example, a firm may visit a university to recruit IT graduates for internship or entry-level jobs. 4. Referrals from employees. Encouraging current employees to refer someone they know. Example, a staff member recommends a qualified friend for a vacant HR position. 5. Recruitment firms. Hiring third-party companies to find candidates. Example, a hospital uses a recruitment agency to hire a specialized nurse. 6. Competitors. Attracting skilled workers from other organizations. Example, a tech company hires an experienced developer from a rival firm. Selection. Act of choosing from those that are available the individuals most likely to succeed on the job. The purpose of selection is to evaluate each candidate and to pick the most suited for the position available. Selection is the process of evaluating applicants and choosing the most likely to succeed in the role. It involves interviews, tests, background checks, and more. The main goal of selection is to match the right person to the right job.
Induction and training. So sa induction, mo ni siya ang pag-introduce sa culture sa company, policies ug mga procedures. Kani nga mga culture, policies, procedures, apil ni ang mga history sa company, mission, values, HR policies, ug workplace nga rules. Sa orientation, mo provide ni siya mga information specific ra siya about sa imong job. Job role, imong responsibilities, ug ang mga processes nga imong i-undergo or imong buhaton para mahimo ang imong specific na job. Mo ni siya mga informations about the team, imong mga kauban, the job description, imong performance expectation ug mga relevant na tools and systems nga imong i-use para mahimo nimo ang imong work. Sunod, training and development. Training mo na siya ang learning provided sa company aron ma-improve ang imong skills or knowledge sa imong job nga gi-applyan. Ang kanang training programs na siya duha ka general types, ang training programs for non-managers ug training and educational programs for executives. So kanang training programs for non-managers, kani siya ang program nga gihimo para sa mga nang-apply nga di manager ang ilang role nga kuwaon. Ug ang kaduha kani mga executives mo ni sila mga high-ranking jobs or high-ranking roles or position. Training programs for non-managers mo ni specific ni siya nga gihimo ni naiingan nga training aron maka-improve sa skills and knowledge sa usa ka new applicant sa iyang particular nga job. Example, kung ni-apply kag pagka-waiter, ang imong training mga specific nga buhatonon sa usa ka waiter. 4 methods under this type na on-the-job training or OJT pa-experienceon ka og kanang workplace workplace sa imong gi-applyan. Vestibule school, muna siya ang training school. Ang apprenticeship program, combination na siya sa OJT ug sa vestibule school. And ang kaupat, special courses. Napoy training program sa mga managers. Ang kani nga training gi-classify ni sa 4 ka areas nga kailangan og ma-develop nga mga skills sa usa ka manager. Nay upat, usa decision making skills. Ang skills sa usa ka nag-apply nga manager sa pag-make og mga decisions. Interpersonal skills, ang skills ni nga kanang communicate or makig-interact sa other people. Ang job knowledge unsay iyang responsibilities as a manager, iyang specific roles ug unsay iyang gisakupan nga mga job or mga responsibilities nga kailangan niya buhaton as a manager. Ang organizational knowledge, ang hierarchy sa iyang or ang organization sa iyang company nga gisudlan. Performance appraisal. Unsa man ang performance appraisal? Muna siya ang systematic process nga i-use sa usa ka company or ni-evaluate ang performance sa usa ka employee. Nana siya daghan nga kanang methods. Nganong kailangan man na ay performance appraisal unsa iyang gamit? So mo ni mga purposes. Maka-influence siya in a positive manner sa employee nga performance o development. So kay na may i-evaluate man kibali ang inyong performance, so maningkamot jud ang usa ka employee nga nindot iyang performance kay na may mo check og kinsay pinaka-nice og performance anang month or na. Determine merit pay increases. So kung na sila because of kanang performance appraisal, makaibaw sila og unsay ilang mga buhatonon nga makahatag pud nila og kanang increases nga pay. Example, daghan sila og sales, so na sila increase nga pay. To plan to future performance goals, to determine training and development needs. So kay na may mga evaluation, so kaibaw sila asa magkuwang ilang mga ma-use pud ni sa usa ka company ang performance appraisal kay baw sila asa nagkuwang ilang mga employees. Manang didto sa training and development nga stage pa ilan na nang ihatag as a training lagi sa mga new applicant. To assess promotional employees. Kanang mga ipag-promote na employees, ipang-evaluate aron i-check kung deserve ba niya nga i-promote. Naidaghang klase-klase nga method of appraising performance appraisal. Naay rating scale method. Kanang rating scale method, wherein as jug survey nga naay satisfactory, highly satisfactory, o kana mga nga na. Sunod, essay method. Muna siya ang kanang essay. Answer yun. Nakoy nakitaan nga kanang sa Facebook nga kanang ang iyang work kay sales lady. Manghatag siya og papel nga gagmay sa mga iyang mga na-assist, magpa-evaluate bitaw siya magpa-rate sa iyang kuan man ay essay method. So isuwat ra diha ma'am og unsay imong ikaingon sa home service man evaluation. Sunod, management by objectives method. Muna siya ang maghatag og goal ang usa ka company sa sa mga employees nga kani nga goal kung ma-achieve ninyo kibali mo na inindot inyong performance anang a month. Or nga nas muhatag sila specific goal sa usa sa specific period. Dapay daghan checklist method, mga check na sila hatag mga checklist unjay pang check kung nahimo ba sa usa ka worker. Work standards method, ranking method, critical incident method. So, sa ranking method, diha, ang kanang method, ipang-rank ang mga employees gikan sa mas pinaka-performing, best performing employee, hantod sa least performing employee. Sa critical incident method, kana, murag ilang i-rate kung unsay performance sa usa ka employee nig maka-face sila mga critical incidents or mga accidents or mga kanang pinakorek na mga situations ilang i-evaluate ang performance sa usa ka employee nig maka-face og mga ingana. That's all.
Employment decisions. After evaluating the performance of employees, the management will now be ready to make employment decisions. Once employees have been evaluated based on their performance, the management will be able to make important decisions regarding their employment. These decisions can positively or negatively impact an employee's career path. Types of employment decisions. First is monetary rewards. When employees perform well, they may receive additional financial compensation, like bonuses or salary increases. Example, a sales representative exceeds their target and is rewarded with a performance bonus. Second, promotion. This is when an employee is given a higher position, usually with more responsibilities and better pay. Example, a team leader is promoted to department manager due to excellent leadership and performance. Third, transfer. This means moving an employee from one department, branch, or job location to another, often without a change in rank. Example, an accountant is transferred from the Manila branch to the Cebu branch to assist with a new project. Fourth, demotion. A reduction in rank or responsibilities due to poor performance or violation of company rules. Example, a supervisor is demoted to staff level because of repeated lateness and poor output. Separation. Separation refers to the end of employment relationship between the employee and the organization. This can happen either voluntarily or involuntarily. Types of separation. Voluntarily separation. When the employee decides to leave the company on their own. Example, an employee resigns to pursue further studies or a job abroad. Involuntary separation. When the employer decides to terminate the employee, often due to poor performance, misconduct, or redundancy. Example, a worker is terminated after failing multiple retraining attempts and continuing to underperform.